Hi guys, it's Max and this is my double bike check video of both of my BMXs. So I'll start with my old BMX. Okay, at the top I've got Aaron Moss Odyssey grips, keyboard sort of thing. I think they're very nice, strong. Then I've got GT bars, very nice, with a GT stem, yeah, with an Odyssey headset, very nice headset, with GT forks, quite nice, with a Kenda tyre, and what's it, Odyssey hub, very nice, with salt pegs. Yeah, they're quite nice, both sides. I don't have any on the back. I don't know why, it's just I like doing toothpicks, BMXs. I've got a GT Fly frame. I took all the stickers off, it just looks a bit better without it. Then I've got a GT seat, it's really comfy. I don't normally sit on it, but when I'm just like chilling, I just like sit on it as usual. It's quite comfy. Then I've got Kenda cranks. No, not Kenda, sorry. GT cranks with Kenda sticker on both sides. I think it looks quite cool. Then I've got a Haro sprocket, because this used to have quite a big sprocket. This is a 25 tooth one. I think it looks good with the frame. Did I say GT Fly deck? Because it's not a deck, it's a thingy, obviously. There's the brake thingy, because I can't bother to take it off. I just like tangled all the wires up and that. I've got no brakes. Then I've got on the back a Kenda tyre and Odyssey hub, and that is my old BMX, so it's quite nice. This is my current BMX, it's a We the People Crisis. It's very nice. I've got salt grips, very nice both sides. I have got a salt brake with a salt stem, purple, it's very nice, with We the People bars. I've got an Apple sticker there. Forks. I keep on wanting to say MGP because I scoot, obviously. We the People forks with a pit salt tyre. It's very strong. I like it. I like having these on BMXs. Also Kenda with a salt cold peg. I like it. I've got a salt hub. It's very nice. Then moving down, I've got the We the People Crisis frame with a Nike 6.0 sticker with a Rad BMX shop sticker. That's a good shot. And on the other side, I've got an ODI sticker. So yeah. Then I've got a plastic Epclat pedal. I've still got the thingies on it. I don't know why. Then I've got salt cranks with a salt 25 tooth sprocket. Then I've got a We the People seat. I don't like it. I'm getting fit one soon, or pivotal, or whatever it's called, pivotal or something. I don't know. Then I like these Domino dust caps. It's nice. I've got a brake on this. One brake, yeah, I've already said that. Salt cold peg, black, and a salt hub and a salt tyre. Basically everything's salt on this bike. It's very nice. That's nice, very nice. And they're both of my bikes, so I hope you like the video. Bye.